welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a day in my life. I am so excited to post this video because I've been working super hard on it and I'm just really excited. Also, we've got a new intro and a new end slate, all good things. So the first thing I do as soon as I get up in the morning is open my blinds. There's a tree outside my window and I love it. I think it's so pretty and I just love seeing greenery. I mean, I love plants and everything. So as I'm getting ready to make my bed, Dash is laying right on the covers. So I'm gonna have to move her, get her out of my way so I can make my bed. That is another thing that I do right away, because I just love my room to be bright and clean. It just gives me a positive vibe throughout the entire day. So speaking of positive vibes, another thing I love doing first thing in the morning is diffusing some essential oils. Aromatherapy is just absolutely amazing. I highly recommend doing research on essential oils and how beneficial they are for several different reasons. This morning I was diffusing peppermint and sweet orange, and you guys, this is such a mood booster. Let me tell you what. Moving on to breakfast, I'm making me something that I have every single morning. So I toasted an English muffin and I have some Smart Balance peanut butter and some honey, and I'm just spreading on my peanut butter, and then I'm gonna do a little drizzle of honey to go over the top. Next, I'm gonna cut open a lemon because, guys, lemon water in the morning is awesome. Just another one of those things that gets you going in the morning, super hydrating, and I don't know, I just love it. It's a must-have. It also is a good way to get that vitamin C in. So I'm just making some water to go with my breakfast, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I had some grapes on the side, but I love this breakfast. It is so good. I highly recommend. So after breakfast, I am just getting myself together. I got dressed and now I'm doing my hair. Usually on days whenever I'm just like hanging around the house, cleaning up and things like that, I usually wear activewear like leggings and a comfy shirt, and that's exactly what I did today. And I'm just putting up my hair to get it out of my face, and that is today's look. So next, I'm just checking on the plants, seeing if any of them need to be watered. You guys, I love gardening. I have never been the best at it, but it's something that I love. Corey's mom, who's just like a mom to me, is kind of teaching me the ropes. We're doing this gardening thing together, and we've accumulated a few plants, and I just can't wait till they all start to bloom. We've done some herbs and just veggies and things like that, and I'm super excited for our future harvests. So it is finally lunchtime and I am making me some homemade sweet potato fries. I'm just cutting up my sweet potato and then I will be putting them in the air fryer. That is the most easiest way and delicious and healthy way to cook sweet potatoes to turn them into sweet potato fries. It's super easy and delicious. And my wrap was just as easy. I just honestly threw some things together. I had some ham and some extra veggies laying around. I used a slice of almost like the Laughing Cow cheese as kind of like my sauce instead of like mayo or something like that, and then just put it all together and it's delicious. So after lunch, I decided to get some cleaning done, starting with my bathroom. My bathroom counter gets super cluttered after I get ready, so I just try to pick it up in the middle of the day. After that, Corey, as sweet as he is, decided to help me out with laundry, which was a super blessing to me because I was exhausted, you guys. I was like, oh my goodness, I need a break. So he decided to help me. It had been raining earlier that day and it finally cleared up, so me and Corey decided to go on a walk at one of our favorite parks in Dallas, and it was so beautiful. So it is time to get dinner started tonight. I'm making chicken korma, and the veggies I'm using are sugar snap peas, mushrooms, onion, bell pepper, garlic, and then I just put some chicken in a pan with olive oil. The seasonings I used are curry, turmeric, and ginger. I'm also using this chicken korma jar, like sauce jar, that I got from Aldi, and you guys, this meal is so delicious. I just paired it up with rice and I am absolutely obsessed. You have to give this one a try. So it is the end of the night. My favorite thing to do is wind down with a bubble bath. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And please be sure to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you to my family. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.